fireworks, wasn't it? Yeah, it freaking ruled.
Are they done?
No. Intro Beckensteinness and fingerness and fireworkness and meanness and whiteness. Dang, they're really lighting it up. My mom's even got her camera. Holy God, holy God, holy God, holy God, oh God, oh God. Oh. That's it.
Hey, Joey. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Mom. Holy Lord, let's look up there. Oh my God, it faded away. Crap. Come on, let's get our fireworks out, Mom.
All right, go get them.
Where are they?
They're not good like those.
Crap! Man, those freaking ruled. Come on, let those off, Goo. Goo, what you doing? We gotta let those off. Yeah, we need your help, Dean. Come on. Quit laying down and being lazy. Quit laying down and being lazy. Come on, come on. Come on, Dean. The Christmas tree's here. Come on, Dean. Come on, we still got it. Come on, Goo. Ooh. Come on. We gotta light off a tiny wimpy freaking firework. Jesus, can't see anything. Can you see me? Can? I'm not sure. Holy shoot. Holy beeper, beeper, beep. This is cool. Yeah. I want to light another one off. They are they? I think they are. Are they? Ooh, my mom's lighting one up. You can't see her, but you can probably hear. Yeah, we're lighting these butt crackers up. Yeah. Yeah, you can see the light a little bit. Run, Mom! We're gonna die. Whoa. Oh God, it's a bunny. Oh God. Oh God, Mom, run! God.